Right, for those who haven't seen, I did put the wheels on the Polo, load it all the way I want it. I had to cut the arches to make it all fit, didn't I? And then I've had to put a bit of camera on the back. I'll show you that now. So it's like tucking under the arch. But yeah, next thing needs an alignment, and the exhaust is currently sat on the floor, so I need to fix that and then get an alignment. Today, I put the wheels on. The wheels are on, as you can see. Took the car down to Nuneaton, to a place that does alignments and stuff on lowered cars. They didn't know how low it was. On the phone they asked me how low it was. I said it was pretty low. And I took it there and they said it's a bit too low.
To get the tracking done.
Yeah, they said it would take about 45 minutes just to get it on the ramp ready. So he said to basically do a small alignment on the drive, just like by eye, which is what we're doing today. Which is, how do you explain what you actually have to do to get an alignment on one of these?
You get the driver's wheel straight with the steering wheel, and then on these you just adjust the passenger wheel from inside on the arm. So at the moment it's far out. Yeah. It's like ridiculous because you lowered it, so
the wheels are facing up. So
yeah, they're like that, towing out a lot. So yeah, so we don't ruin tyres before we go again for the alignment. We'll do a rough one by eye today. Steering arms at the back of the wheel.
Oh yeah, you can see it on the camera.
Yeah.
Well, we're
Nice.
I want to do a full like session.
I'm going to give some location. We'll go to
Official sponsor, Levi Roots, Caribbean Crush.
Liam doesn't drive, so you want to know a YP?
So that's the
Yeah, there is.
steering control arm. And they're just going to try and adjust the alignment of the front wheels. Really crusty on that.
All you can hear is a cow pissing.
Levi Roots.
What the fuck's that? Levi. That's it. That's slackened off now, and then we can spin it, lengthen it.
Oh, do you want to line the wheels up?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you can line it up now.
Wrong way.
Levi Roots.
How's that looking? The wheel.
Keep going. Better than it was.
It's moving a hair at a time, but it is going in.
Slow and steady.
Just don't run out of threads like we did last time.
Oh. Now that is straight.
Me, Pete,
And then that is straight. And then what we've got to do now is lock them off, and then the two, can't see, in there. We'll spin the wheels so we can get them. Lock them off, take it down the road, see how it drives.
Right, so today I'm gonna go get Aaron. We're gonna go to the farm. We're doing some work on the Trabant today, service stuff, like I think he's got some spark plugs and some leads and stuff to do. So we'll get Aaron and then we'll head over to James's now.
This is hard to do with a camera as well.
Chuki.